Hello everybody, my name is Tulendra Bahadur Thapa, and yesterday I you can say took my physics department team to the finals, and it was such a you can say outstanding moment for me. But in that process, I you can say I was already injured, my ankle was already injured, and in that process, I injured myself even more. As you can see, there are many injuries on my leg because I you can say got tackled around a lot. I was somewhat like a main character yesterday and the day before yesterday. So the whole team played well, and I also played the best as I can. The best, the best that I you can say I have to offer football. I you can say offered it yesterday and the day before yesterday. So I'm just going to you can say show you my physique, and after that I'm going to you can say update you about how all the things went, because I need to you can say take these things out of me, because I need to you can say I am so full with adrenaline because of you can say even after you can say one whole day after the match has ended, after the tournament is ended, I still want to you can say express my love about how the journey was, how great my teammates were, about how Nikhil you can say, yeah, even after you can say not having being able to take part in the tournament, Nikhil stayed with us and you can say he watched the whole game with us. So he watched the whole game, he watched me play, and about how all the supporters, about all the you can say cheerings that I got. So I will tell you the stories about that. So first let us pause. So we go something like this, this. It's hard, man. The surface is hard, and I have too many injuries, so it's a little bit hard for me to be stable here. Too many injuries, man. It's hard for me to sit for long, but I will complete my posing ritual. Something like that. So we go. Now we can, you can say, talk about what happened in my football journey, है ना? So in the football tournament. So the football tournament was being held on 13th and 14th of Feb. So it was the Valentine's week, and 14 is the Valentine's Day. So I was pretty enthusiastic about it. And now let us, you can say, first go back to the roots of to the origins of this football tournament, and why it had such a, you can say, strong presence in my heart, in my mind, in the mind of my friends. So I have been a student of, you can say, Ramjas College in the BSc Physics honors. You can say in the I have been, you can say, studying physics in the form of BSc Physics honors in Ramjas College for from 2022 till 2023. So in this time, the first, you can say, the first interdepartmental could not be held because in 2020, because it was COVID time and the classes were online. Then the second batch came and half of the year was gone. Interdepartmental is usually held in January or Feb, so they couldn't again, you can say, have the interdepartmental again. Now the third interdepartmental came and we made a team of physics honors, and we, you can say, played a match, but we couldn't win against the you can say, the team, because we already, you can say, we lost to, I suppose, history or BA honors and BA, you can say, program. So now I had so many friends there. We had so much, you can say, put so much, you can say, investment into our little team. We have, you can say, designed our, you can say, the clothing manner we are going to play. The, you can say, we had made the various positions we are going to play against. I was, you can say, the left wing. I was not able to do that much in that match, so that's why we lost. So it was the, you can say, the loss of the overall team, but I will like the blame, because I will like to take the blame, because Dheeraj came and he was able to, you can say, make some of the opportunities for the team. Then after that year, I, you can say, thought that I would not be able to, you can say, play for the in Ramjas interdepartment, play in the Ramjas interdepartmental ever again. But my career took a different turn, and I, you can say, ended. I My career took a turn, and I was not going to come to Delhi, but I came to Delhi for my MSc Physics, and I took admission in Ramjas College again. That was such a, you can say, great impact in my life today, because now I am eligible to play the interdepartmental. So the previous year, in the MSc first year or MSc previous year, I was not allowed to, you can say, play in the Ramjas interdepartmental, because I didn't know that, and people, I didn't even ask in a format of people. But this time, and that day, that time, I was the manager of the physics department team, है ना? But still we couldn't you can say, win even a single match. Huh? Welcome back again. So we were discussing about our physics journey. I was, you can say, disturbed with my neighbor. I couldn't help him, but now I can say, I will complete my story. So the story goes something on like this, like the I was not able. We were not. I was not. I was the manager of the physics department team for MS when I was in my MSc previous year, MSc first year. So I was like the manager. I was called the Pep Guardiola for my physics departmental team, because I didn't have a haircut. They were, you can say, many spectators to Shailendra, Nikhil, Saurav, and Dipanshi came to, you can say, see the match. So I am truly grateful for that. But we still couldn't, you can say, win a match, and we were, you can say, thrown out of the, you can say, tournament on the first in the first match. But this time the things were different. MSc Physics second year, I went and asked, you can say, different guys in the college, and I called for so many people. I told them I'm going to play this tournament, because this is the last chance I have got to, you can say, make the physics department win a single match, है ना? At least from my side. So what I did was, uh, I tried, you can say, I tried something, and I, you can say, called so many people. I called, you can say, this guy, I called that guy, I called so many people, but it was not it, you can say, worked out. It worked out, and I was able to play the interdepartmental team in the interdepartmental team. So our first match was against history, and I thought that we lost, because history is such a strong team. And our first bracket, it was, you can say, we just have to pick the teams. So our captain went pick the teams that they are facing against. So our captain went and drew out history from the, you can say, lot box. Our captain, it was Mohit, and our vice captain was Raktim. And there were many main players like Mohit, Raktim, Ashutosh, me, and we have some juniors. Some of my juniors were there, and there was, you can say, Anuj, Anul, and there were many guys. Can say I can you can say make a list of these players, and I you can say truly grateful for them to you can say help me at least get to the finals of this tournament. And then what we did was you can say we won against Honors, History Honors, and the goal I scored was such a you can say awesome score. I scored the goal and it was a banger. It's you can say a guy that is Anur. You can say plays the ball right in here, and you can say I and me, two defenders and the goalkeeper were all running towards it, and I chipped the ball over the keeper using my head. And it was such a great moment. The moment I saw the you can say ball go in, I was just like overjoyed. I was just you can say started you can say screaming at the crowd. Started screaming at everybody. You can see the video. I just you can say just was so overjoyed that we you can say know that because it was a 10-minute match, 10-minute half match, so total 20 minutes in 20 minutes in total. The match was of 20 minutes in total. So even if we score a single goal, then it's you can say confirm that we are going to win. Nobody is going to score 2 or 3 goals in this you can say tournament. Just one goal, and the rest of the time you play defense and just throw the ball out of the bounds, and it will you can say the 10 minutes just flies by in a game, na? And then what happened was you can say I was you can say just thrilled. We were just thrilled. Then the next match was against my friend you can say Nikhil. You can say was with me throughout all these matches. We were can say he you can say talked me. You can say he talked me and you can say told me that I should play. He you can say managed the whole team a little bit. He was you can say so supportive of me. He you can say left some of his classes for me. I am truly grateful for that. And then you can say what do we call it? And then we showed him the results, and he was also too overjoyed. I hugged him when we you can say ended the match. People are hugging each other. We were you can say celebrating that we won the match in the history of the physics department for the first time in like 4 or 5 years. We you can say were the ones that took the drought away from the people, na? And then what happened is was you can say truly remarkable. The next day after we have qualified, we you can say came back to the field on 7:30, and I did a you can say good deed you can say in the night too. So after just you can say let's talk about football right now. So I you can say went to the college, and you can say we saw first match or first 2 matches, and my team of my friend Manish lost the match. Manish, you can say, was playing in the center. So I suppose that he should play if as a forward striker, but he was playing as a center. He was fulfilling the needs of the team. So his team lost, and I was, you can say, truly disheartened for him. And then you can say BA program, you can say their team is too strong, man, too strong. Not they can make the whole college team out of their you can say departmental team. So they you can say crushed every single one of their opponents. They were scoring goals, they were scoring bangers, they were scoring you can say free kicks, they were scoring corners. They were just you can say over the top of everybody, and they had to reach the finals. We know that. So now we have to look upon the quarterfinals. So in the quarterfinals we faced against Botany, and I scored a banger. I am telling you, I scored such a banger there. I you can say took the ball from half line to I suppose to the end of the goal. I got a pass, and I you can say ran past all the you can say defenders. I you can say scored a goal like the goalkeeper was here, and I scored the goal like this after coming too close to him, and it was such an awesome moment. We were all, and the it was like a buzzer beater because only there were 2 or 3 minutes left in the game. I you can say dribbled a lot in that game. That was a little bit of mistake in my part. I should have shooted a lot. But this time I took the shot, and I you can I took the placement shot, and we won the match. Then we were so overjoyed, we were screaming at each other. I became one of the you can say most influential players on that day. I was like the main character of that whole tournament because of that goal. And then came the third match. The third match was against Hindi Honors. है ना. So the Hindi honors team has a you can say a very peculiar strategy. They were playing so defensive that they were going to take the match to the penalty, and if the match goes to penalty, even a stronger team like Physical Science, that is was in the team in which our brother named Manish Singh Joda is my son brother. He couldn't even win against them because of the penalty, because penalty is a 50-50 chance, and if you can say you can say throw the balls out of the band, then you are going to lose. So now we were not in the penalty against Hindi Honors. We were in the penalty. I you can say must have flipped the matches. So we faced Hindi first, and then we faced Botany. So against the Botany team, we were taking the penalties, and the penalties were going haphazard because we were not able to score a goal. And then some of the penalties gave 1-10, some of the penalties didn't went in. Initially it was of 3, and now it was of 4. Out of 4 penalties or out of 5 penalties, and the final penalty that was the deciding factor of the whole game came down to me. Raktim did such a nice save there. I you can say hugged him and I you can say injured myself while hugging him. While hugging a player, I injured myself because I hugged him so aggressively. And then what happened is that I was like you can say so I just scored a goal and that goal was such so I took the penalty na? So I was not going to take the penalty at first because I was not confident in myself, but everybody cheered me on. Everybody you can say was in support of me. And I just you can say scored a banger right in the corner, like the goal was like this, I scored it like this and the goalkeeper was not even able to you can say move even a single bit. I placed it so well, man. And then the cheers started. I was like overjoyed. I was like screaming whoa whoa. I was just screaming all the way around the field. Everybody picked me up and the moment was electric. I you can say hugged Nikhil, I hugged Manish, I hugged every single one of my team players. It was just so electric. We went and you can say had we went to add you can say my leg check because during the game I was injured a little bit, and at the last 2 minutes I was subbed off, so I was not so technically supposed to take the penalty. But yeah, in that match you can say you can say bend some rules, and because because I was the only you can say I was you can say one of the main players and I should take the penalty, and you should understand that because of the 2 minutes at that you can say before the game ended the two with the botany before there was an extra time of 2 minutes, and during that time my leg was totally you can say ruined. It you can say it went tilted like this, and during the whole tournament I played like Messi. I didn't even dive a single time. I was just you can say running around the whole time. I was just not giving up. I was just you can say scoring goals, scoring bangers, man. I was just feeling like a main character that day. And then what happened is that we came face to face against BA Program. Nikhil, you can say already have warned me that I shouldn't you can say have so much high expectation about this match because BA Program is one of the strongest team in the whole tournament, and it didn't even have to struggle even against a single one of them. BA Program scored two bangers in the first half only, and the second one of them bangers was penalties because one of our friends you can say took hand inside the D, one of our defenders Mohit I guess. But it's all right, it's all good. We can say we put up a good fight. We were not able to score in the final. I was not able to score in the final, though I got two chances. But it was so difficult. They were, you can say, two or three marking me the whole time. As soon as I scored the first goal in the, you can say, first match in the quarterfinals and the semi-finals, they were, you can say, and then in the finals, they were, you can say, crowding me so much that I was not able to run even a little bit. Roy did such a great defending there. Ayush was also there. There were so many defenders. Ayush is such a strong defender, man, and Roy is also such a strong defender. Rotosu is such a strong defender. I was playing against, you can say, some of the great players like them. I'm going to upload the photos of them. You can see, check them out, and it was such an epic moment for me. I have spoken too much because I have spoken too much. I have, you can say, talked the same things again and again to like 4 to 10 or 10 to 16 people. I cannot never get you can say sick about talking about the games that I played in the last 2 days in this week. Though it's coming to an end and my whole body is hurting a little bit. I don't know if my leg is broken or not, but I can totally assure you that I lived my life. I felt like Messi that day, and I can look into your eyes and say that I was one of the best player in the tournament, and I lived my life. I lived my life like Messi. I always thought about having a dream moment like the World Cup. Like the World Cup was for Messi, reaching even winning a single you can say game, even getting my you can say country qualified. My you can say my country, my from country I means my you can say my physics department being qualified to get into the finals. That was such a accomplishment for me, and I'm truly grateful for that. I'm truly grateful to each and every single person that showed up to support me. Truly grateful to Nikhil, truly grateful to Ashish, to Deep Jyoti. Man, Nikhil was too great, man. He you can say stick with me to the end, and we you can say we did it. We got to the finals, and there are too many emotions inside me right now. I'm just too overjoyed, man. Though it's hurting a lot, but it's worth it. It's worth it. And what else I wanted to say? I also learned one thing that never be afraid to take a penalty. If you have confidence in yourself, you know you are capable. Take the penalty of life, just say so, and the goal will go into the net, no matter what. Peace out. I don't want to add anything else. This much is enough, man. This is much is more than enough in my life. I felt like Messi, like the World Cup. I felt like Messi in the World Cup, man. Thank you.